Hello friends, my name is Mahdi. Welcome to this video. And in this video, I want to talk about the animating text in CSS. Be with me. The tag I want to talk about in session is used in CSS language called marquee. For example, I write the div tag and then I write the marquee tag. Okay? div opening and closing. Okay, I write the marquee tag opening and closing with a slash. Okay. Sorry. And inside this tag, for example, I write the text, my name is Matt. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, now you see that this text is animated. You can apply various settings to this tag. Okay, the first attribute is behavior. This attribute corresponds to the state of motion of the text, which can have three different values. The first mode is alternate. This value ping-pong the text motion mode. I write this attribute for you. Okay. Okay, and alternate. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. I wait for this. Okay, now you can see that the text is moving right and left, and this mode is very beautiful for all sides, and you can use this attribute. Okay, the other mode is scroll, where I write this value first and we will see the result. Okay, I deleted scroll. Okay, I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, I wait for this. Okay, now you can see that's work. Okay, the other mode is side. I write this, sorry, slide. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, I wait for this. Now you can see it's stop in here and it's work. Okay, the next attribute is direction, which is an important attribute. This attribute is for specifying the direction of text movement. This attribute has 4 different values, each of which determines the direction of text movements: up, down, right, and left. Okay, I write this attribute for you. Direction. Okay, for example, up. I save it, I refresh this page, and I write the style with 2 100 pixels. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Now you can see that's work. And for example, I delete it down. I save it, I open my web browser, I refresh this page. Okay, and right, okay, and left. Okay, now you can see that's work. The next attribute is scrollamount, which we can use to adjust the speed of our text. If the value we enter is higher, the text will move faster. Okay, let's test this. Okay, scroll element, for example 10, and I change it. Now you can see it's faster. For example 5. I save it. Okay, and now you can see that's very fast. Okay, this session is over. Thanks for watching. You can support me by subscribe button, and goodbye.